Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing a St. Patrick's Day inspired look. So of course I had to use the Too Faced chocolate bar palette again. Don't hate me, but the green in that palette is just perfect, so I had to use it. I'm gonna try to stop, but that palette is amazing. This video is also in collaboration with Charlene Mercado here on YouTube. Guys, go check out her makeup look. I'm going to put the link to her YouTube channel down below as well as her Instagram, because she has amazing makeup looks. You guys are going to fall in love with them just like I did. Check out her page, subscribe to her channel, like her video, and let's get started with the tutorial. So I'm hydrating my face with this Morgan Miller Rose Hip Facial Oil. Next, I'm taking my Becca Under Eye Corrector just to block out the darkness underneath my eyes. And I'm going to blend that with my Real Techniques sponge. For foundation, I'm taking my Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in shade 128. I'm just tapping it all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it out with my sponge. For concealer, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer, and I'm just applying that underneath my eyes and then blending it out. I'm going to set underneath my eyes with my Spun translucent powder. Contour my face, I'm taking this cream contour kit by Sleek Makeup, and I'm just applying this to the areas where I like to contour, and then I'm just going to blend it all out. With my Sigma E40 blending brush, I'm taking So Bougie from the palette, and I'm just adding that color to my crease to work as my transition shade. So I wet my brush, I just sprayed it down with some Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and I grabbed the color Holla for Dollar and Money Bags. I mix them up together, and that's what I'm applying to my lid. I'm just really packing that color, and since my brush is wet, it really picked up that pigment because this palette is very pigmented, and I'm just so in love with this green. It's just so beautiful. But I'm definitely working that shadow onto my lid. So for liner, I had to do liner with this look. I felt like it was just going to look better. I'm taking the Balm liquid liner, and I'm just doing a wing. Brows, I'm taking this brow definer pencil by Lancome, and it's in the shade black. I'm using this very lightly with a very light hand because it is extremely pigmented, and I like to blend it out with a spoolie. To bronze up my face, I'm taking this bronzer by Becca and this Kat Von D brush, and I'm just warming up my face, contouring, adding a little bit to my cheeks, a little bit to my forehead, and just blending everything together. So I'm just taking some Ardell Wispy lashes and just popping them on. Lashes will definitely give this look a nice pop. So for underneath my lash line, I'm just popping in some of that green and blending it out. And for mascara, I'm using my favorite one, which is by Maybelline, and it is called Total Temptation. For highlighter, I'm using the Anastasia So Hollywood. I'm applying a little bit to my brow bone just to give it like a nice glow. And of course, my cheekbones. So that is it for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below. Let me know what you guys are doing for St. Patrick's Day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.